Just like that.
I hope we don't have a bloody headwind the whole way. Oh, I love Canberra's cycle path. Hi, man.
That was really good.
Yeah. Nice through here.
Oh, it's lovely.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video, and this one is the middle of winter. Yesterday was the shortest day of the year and I'm down in Canberra for a winter solstice campout. There's quite a few faces that I've met online and that I talk to on here that are from Canberra, so this weekend when I heard this winter solstice campout was happening, I decided to tag along, and I'm down here to just meet a few new faces. So I've left a couple of hours earlier than everyone else, and I got Tom with me. We've just been cruising along, just getting a few shots for this video, but I'm expecting the others to catch up pretty soon. If not, we'll see them at the hut, Brandy Flat Hut. That's where we're going, in case I didn't mention it. Anyway, it's a beautiful day down here today. A little bit anxious to meet everyone. I feel like a bit of an intruder, but it should be fun. So excited and anxious. Anyway, let's keep riding and we'll see the other guys soon. You know, it's like close to the shortest time of the year when shadows are this big at bloody midday. Hello. Pretty scenic. I like those old poplars and the bridge, that's cool.
Yeah.
This is a mad little section.
Yeah.
With all the leaves, that'd be so epic.
Oh. So I got the flag before the mouth.
This is hardly flat. Well, it's flat.
It's flat compared to what we're going to.
I feel like we've been pedaling uphill all day. Probably because of the wind as well.
Yeah, some would say it's up from
here. This headwind's pretty painful. Think of the twin exhaust.
Oh, it's great.
Tim.
Tim.
Tom,
Tom, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too, Kate.
I want to try and make some posters of the school camp.
Well, I've been here before. While you're doing a ride through, oh,
There's these two young fellas, like 18, 19, with a gap here. They're just punching out.
Tommy's motoring along up there, and I am struggling. I remember this hill. It's shit. This hill is a killer. Last time I did it, it was the middle of summer and it was stinking hot. Thought it might have been okay, but I'm struggling. I think that headwind took it out of me earlier. Nearly there. Hello.
So you drove up from Sydney?
Yeah.
Ah, lovely.
Thought I'd come and meet a few new faces. So,
Yeah.
you know, I'm gonna go touch the hut so I can say I've made it,
Touch it, yep.
and then I'm gonna crack a beer because I'm in need. We did it. That's the one. I can't remember if I said my name, but I'm Tim anyway.
I'm Zoe.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. Well, we made it up to the hut. Anyway, I am absolutely gassed. Steph has left beers down this trail, which is 4 kilometres, and I told her if I got here early enough, I might duck down and pick them up, but I'm really struggling at the moment, so I'm just going to set up my tent, have a beer, and if they're still not here, I might go for a ride and see how I'm feeling. But yeah, I had COVID 3 weeks ago now, so I don't know whether that affected me or that headwind the whole way. Just really struggled. But I'm here, and I'm happy. Yep, they're held in there tight. I can't get the things out. Yes. Band's arrived. I don't know anyone, by the way. Sorry, just got to cut in here for a second. I'm actually on my drive home. Last night was an awesome night, and yeah, I wanted to talk into the camera more often, just to try and talk about the whole trip, but there were so many people there, I felt so uncomfortable talking into a camera that it just didn't really happen. So I just thought I'd mention a few things that happened. We had, there's a flying V up there. I'm too distracted again. That's cool. Anyway, I'll start again. The Winter Solstice Campout. From what I'm told, it's been some kind of an annual event. This year though has had the largest turnout. There was around an estimated 40 people there, and everyone has contributed to a charcuterie board. Have a look at all that food.
Not one, but two.
Chopping board there.
It was a cold night and many headed towards the fire to keep warm. One guy in particular was using the fire for another reason. He carried in a whole wheel of raclette, and in between serving it out to friends, he was keeping the mood alive with his guitar.
What she's got, it doesn't make a difference if she makes it or not. We got each other, that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer.
So many tents. Low light capabilities absolutely maxed out. Very cool. Well, good morning. Look how many tents are here. Absolutely crazy last night. Very cold, but I was toasty. Pretty excited I came on this one. Alright, me again from this other location. Once the sun came out and melted all that ice, we set off again, and that climb that we did on the Saturday was much more fun going back down it. It was an awesome descent. Anyway, I'm going to show a bit of footage of the ride out of here, but before I do, I just want to say a big thanks to Steph, who sort of organised this weekend. It was awesome to meet a few new faces, and yeah, really cool night. Very glad I went. So thanks for watching and enjoy the ride out of here. See you later. Time to go, is it?
Time to go.
As expected, I didn't feel like talking into the camera in front of everyone. So I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I might put some clips in here.
Why not? Let's do it. Let's go slow and not come on.
See you later, guys. See you later. Haven't heard any rattles yet, which is good. See you later. Bit easier than riding up.
I hope these descents look as steep as they felt yesterday.
Maybe coming up this hill was worth it. It's quite fun coming down it. Surely it was longer than that yesterday. Morning. Awesome night, mate. Cheers.
I think I've shown you enough footage for this video. While I play my final shots, I thought I'd share my final thoughts. Over the last few years of getting into bikepacking, I've met so many friendly people, a lot of them from the Canberra area, and I feel like Canberra has a really good outdoor community, and with awesome trails and beautiful gravel roads like this, it doesn't surprise me. I don't know if it's just on Instagram, but everyone seems to know everyone down here. Maybe it's because we all share a common interest, and sharing those interests on social media lets us all connect. But to have 40 plus people turn up over the weekend, all from a single Instagram post, is pretty cool. I'm feeling kind of grateful to be a part of this growing bikepacking community. So, to finish this video, just want to say to all you Canberra people that were here on this trip, thanks for letting me tag along on this ride. It was fun. See ya.